I started to lose my hair at the age of 23. The insecurity was unbelievable. I never swam. I stood in the water and splashed myself. Always had a hat on. I just was in tears. The website was very professional and that intrigued me, and I researched it from there. He gets the most hair. He takes the biggest graft that I've seen out of all sites. Completely different look now. Very nice guy, and he's passionate about his work, and that's important. Thank you, Dr. Bolton.